So first check the original CD radio for BENZ. You can see this is the male plug. Take it out. And then you can use our cable. Connect the original male connector to our female one, and then use our male one connected to the original CD radio slot. Check here. Okay. So check the interface video. This is for power cable. Connect it. Okay. 现在我只需要实现那个 railway camera， 好吧？就是后视和轨迹。动作快点，不要秀，直接搞。视频搞不下来，没那么长。
这是原车的插座。
The green one is the original cable. Connect to our connector. And the use our one connect to the LCD screen. Okay. 拉短一点。Another side. Yes.
视频连接线。
Okay. Connect to our interface video. Okay. And this is the AV cables. Connect to AV input. This is for providing power for camera.
摄像头。
是的，年纪高你的。